Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily stop Instagram from automatically sending Instagram stories to Facebook. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes and write your comments after watching the video. So friends, let's get into this topic. I will show you the whole process from the very beginning. So, first of all, please open up your Instagram and then go to your page. Next, friends, on the top right, click on the three bars, after which select Settings. Next in Settings, friends, you'll need to switch to Meta Account Center. To do that, click right here. Now you'll need to choose to share between profiles. After that, select your Instagram page, and that will take you to a page like this. And here you will be able to disable or stop this kind of mutual sharing or sending the story to Facebook. To do that, you will need to find this item right here, your Instagram stories. And if you have it active, just turn it off by clicking on this button here so that it turns gray. This way, you can easily stop automatically sending your Instagram story to Facebook. I really hope, friends, that this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes and be sure to write your comments and also subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.